Hello everyone, my name is Pidi. So today we'll be making really nice corn bread. So as it's Canada Day, so I was thinking of making something sweet. So let's start making. We'll be needing 3 eggs. Those are normal eggs, 3 eggs. We need around 2 cups of yogurt, around 2 cups, and we'll be having, you can put oil. It's half cup of oil or it's half cup of butter, so I'll be using butter. Around 1/4 cup of cornmeal flour. So this is medium crush. You can get fine crush, so I've taken medium crush, so it will have a really nice crunchy flavor in our bread. We need around a 2/3 cup of sugar. I'm using semolina, which is in Indian rava, around 2 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 teaspoon of baking soda, and we'll be needing a little bit of flour, around 1/4 cup of flour. So let's start making, guys. So I'll be using hand stand mixer. If you don't have this, you can use a regular whisker, or you can use hand blender. So I'll be using it's pretty easy in this. It's just a couple of minutes and the batter is ready. So I'll be using. So I'll be whisking our eggs nicely until it's all fluffy. So meanwhile, we'll be mixing all our ingredients. I've already mixed flour and cornmeal flour. So I'll be putting in a bigger bowl semolina, and this is baking powder, and we'll be mixing it well, so that once our our eggs are ready, we can directly put into our liquid stuff. So our eggs are halfway done now, and then now we'll be adding the sugar and whisking it again. So our sugar and eggs are around nicely blended, so we'll be changing the mixing thing, because now we'll be adding our dry ingredients. So not dry, we'll be adding our butter first, and then we'll be adding all our other ingredients. This was around so let's mix these. See, it's so smooth. I really like my stand mixer. It's so easy, and the baking is so easy with this. So I'm adding vanilla essence, and we'll be adding yogurt. This we'll be scooping out all the last bit. Okay, so now again we'll be mixing it for a couple of minutes. So all our liquid ingredients are mixed well. Now we'll be adding all our dry ingredients, which is cornmeal flour, semolina, baking powder. So our batter is now ready. So I'll be pouring these into our baking pan. So I'll be taking these small little pans. Those really look nice with the cornbread. You can use the round shape, or you can use the square shape, whatever you have at your home. So I put all the batter into these little small baking pans, and we'll be baking this to around 325 degree Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. We'll be baking it around it's golden brown, around let's say around 25 to 30 to 40 minutes, I would say. And we'll see when once it's golden brown, we'll be picking up a toothpick and we'll see if it's all done and ready to eat. So we'll be baking this for around 30 to 45 minutes, and my oven is now preheat and it's ready to bake in. I took out our cornbread from the oven, and now we'll be taking out from our, it's been now 20 to 30 minutes. So here we are. Look at this, guys, it looks so moist. So it's all ready now. So I have done the plating of these, my little cornbread. I'll be tasting this now. So let's taste it. See, it's really moist and it's all nicely cooked. I'm gonna taste it now, okay? It's really nice. It's really sweet. Not too sweet. It has a lot of corn flavor in it. So I hope you guys liked it, and will please try my recipe. And I hope you are having a great fun with your friends and family on Canada Day. So happy Canada Day, and I enjoy your day. Happy 153rd Canada Day. Enjoy and peace out.